Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZEUKMXOO, 35-gallon outdoor storage box waterproof. There are features include: end clutter in your yard, garage, or porch with 35-gallon mega capacity. Stop struggling with scattered garden tools, piles of pool noodles, and patio cushions with no home. This 35-gallon, approximate 132 liters, outdoor storage box waterproof offers 22-inch length, 17.1-inch width, 20.9-inch height, of generous space to easily swallow all your outdoor clutter, serving as a versatile patio storage box for any season. Picture your sand toys, barbecue supplies, and holiday light strands all organized and out of sight, instantly reclaiming the peace and order of your favorite outdoor space. Doubles as a sturdy bench, holds up to 110 pounds for your valuables. Built with a reinforced frame and smooth, seamless craftsmanship, this is more than a plastic bin. Its exceptionally sturdy lid safely supports up to 110 pounds, approximate 50 kilograms, allowing it to double as a reliable outdoor seat or stool. Feel confident sitting on this outdoor storage box waterproof for a quick break or storing expensive equipment inside, thanks to its robust, wobble-free construction as a dependable outdoor storage bin. A true all-weather guardian, waterproof and UV-resistant, ready for any season. Whether it's a surprise afternoon thunderstorm or relentless summer sun, your belongings stay protected in this outdoor storage box waterproof. The box is waterproof to keep rain out, and UV-resistant to prevent fading and degradation of stored cushions, party supplies, or tools, making it an ideal pool storage bin for accessories and chemicals. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your items in this waterproof outdoor box stay dry and like new through every season. 15-minute, tool-free quick assembly, truly ready right out of the box. Say goodbye to complicated instructions with confusing hardware. Our innovative snap-together design requires no tools and no technical skills. Most users can have this outdoor storage box waterproof and ready to use in 15 minutes or less, perfect as instant deck boxes outdoor waterproof for your patio or garden. It's like putting together a friendly, oversized puzzle, simple steps that let you start enjoying an organized space almost immediately. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.